Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Happy New Year, Happy New Me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this. This is a 2 for Ipsy bagging try on for Ipsy December, which I never got a chance to getting around to, and Ipsy January 2018. So alright, let's get into it. Ipsy and my new blonde hair, which is not going to last for very long. Alright, here we go. So, sorry it's been a while since I posted. I posted a makeup video a little bit ago, but okay. So let's just get right into my December bag. So for December, their bag is very Christmassy, very glittery. I'm sure everybody got this one. And the theme for December was, I laid on this one, was Snow Globe. That was kind of cute. My first item in here, which I haven't used yet, is a green tea and ginger moisturizing and detoxifying sheet mask by Perlice. I like Perlice. They're nice. The second item I got is by Nip and Fab Hydrate with Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum. I really like this. I've already used a bunch of it already. So it's supposed to like firm up your skin. I don't know if it's working or not, but I liked it. It smelled good. My second item here is a shimmer eyeshadow. You can see. Shimmer. And then this is the color. I've already swatched her. She's like, kind of like that. December. Sorry for the way, you guys. Then I got a brush. Another brush. Oh, it's a precision shader. So it looks like this. And it's by Luxie. Luxie is a good brand. I like their brushes. Let's see what else I got. Oh, and this is the end for December. The last item for December, I got a NYX Professional. Is this the eyeliner? I think it is. But it looks like it's just like a pencil eyeliner. If you hear snorting in the background, I've got a pug, and he like just sounds like a, oh, it is like pencil. Is it blue? It looks like it's blue. Oh, it's like a purplish color. Oh, it does say that right here. Well, it shows the color. If you can see the difference. Probably can't see the camera, but that is the eyeliner. It's like a purple color. It's kind of still dark. I like it. And that was December's bag. I always keep everything in my Ipsy bags once before I put them away. Now it's time for January. Let's see what's in this baby. I've already looked. This one's a game face. It will conquer. Bag is like more of like a sporty bag, like I'm going to the gym. Let me put my keys in it, kind of thing. First thing I grabbed, which I was quite happy to get when I saw it, it's a contour palette by City Color. The colors aren't too terrible in this, to be honest. This highlight though, I'm just gonna put it, well, it's okay. It's not the best, but it's pretty good. That's my first item. Second item is another eyeliner, and this one is Fierce Flicks by Ciate London. It's a full size. Yes. Yes. Look at her. Yes, I love a good eyeliner. Look at that. It's really good. I'm sick of all these shitty eyeshadows and you have to spend $20 just to get a good eyeshadow, or not eyeshadow, eyeliner. Shouldn't cost that much, you guys. Alright, my next thing I pull out of my bag is a caviar CC cream. I don't know what a CC cream for caviar would mean. And it's 10-in-1 complete correction. So it's for your hair. I will need this. That's what it's supposed to do. Oh. Use it as a styler. I haven't even smelled this yet. Let's see. It smells kind of weird. My next item here is a mud mask by Perlice. And it's a mud mask with blue lotus seed. Sounds like it's gonna be awesome. Oh, it's got a seal on it. And that's everything, you guys. My bags were boring these last 2 months, so hopefully February will be better. Definitely gonna be coming out with more videos soon, more looks, more things. But if you are currently subscribed, thank you for being here. And if you're new and you have just found my channel, thanks for watching. And you know, if you like this video and you want to see what else I'm coming up with, just click the subscribe button down below and that little bell icon, so that way you're notified every time I upload a video, which will be soon. Will be more. So, alright, well, that's my whole Ipsy unboxing. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.